Hello everyone, welcome to Showmas Canvas. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Yes, today again I am going to share some tips regarding hair care. But today I am not going to use any kind of oil, and this video is specially for them who doesn't like to use oil or oil doesn't suit for them. So today I am going to use onion. And trust me, this onion not only will help you to reduce the hair fall but also will help you to regrow the hair and make it healthy. So let's go. Let's use this onion juice. So today I am going to share with you the whole process, that how to take this onion juice and how to apply and which are the ingredients you can use with this onion. So let's share the ingredients. First of all, I am going to use this vitamin E capsule. This is Evian 400. I don't know you're able to see this or not. Okay, I'll give the link or I'll tell the name in the description box. So this vitamin E will help to reduce the hair fall and yes, for the regrowth. And now I'm going to use this aloe vera gel. You can extract the aloe vera gel from the leaf if you have the aloe vera tea in your house. If not, then you can use any kind of aloe vera gel which has 99% aloe vera and which doesn't have any kind of color, like not the green, not the yellow. And this is the aloe vera gel which I'm going to use today. So this aloe vera gel basically will help you to make your hair soft, because onion is very good for hair fall and to reduce the hair fall and for the regrowth, but yes, it makes your hair bit rough. So to prevent that, I'm using aloe vera gel. And the other ingredient is this tea tree oil. I'm going to use the tea tree oil, but you can use any kind of essential oil. Lavender oil you can also use, and any kind of essential oil whichever are applicable for the hair. Okay, so I am using this tea tree oil. Why? Because two reasons. First, this tea tree oil will help you to reduce the dandruff, and I have bit dandruff in the scalp, and dandruff also one of the reason for the hair fall. So I'm using this. And why you should use the essential oil? Because that will help you to reduce the smell of onion juice. Yes, the onion juice will have a smell, and sometimes it happens that even after doing the shampoo, the smell will be there in your scalp, and so many people don't like this. Even I don't like it. So I use this tea tree oil, because this tea tree oil or any kind of essential oil which will help you to reduce this smell. So now let's go with me. Okay, so I hope you all are clear with the ingredients. Now I will share with you the process, how to apply this onion juice and how to mix all the ingredients and make your hair healthy. So don't waste your time and let's go with me.
Now my juice is ready. You have seen that how I have taken the juice. Now I am going to use all the ingredients one by one. So first I am going to use this aloe vera gel. Half tablespoon of aloe vera gel I have taken here. Now I am going to use this vitamin E capsule. So here I am going to use 2 vitamin E capsule. And now last but not the least, I am going to use this tea tree essential oil, and I am going to use 4 to 5 drops of this essential oil. And I am in love with the smell of this. So all ingredients are here. Now I have to mix it. So you can use spoon to mix it, but I prefer the hand to mix it well. Yes, now you can see I have mixed it. So it's not very thicker actually, it's liquid in a form. So you can use the cotton ball to use on your scalp, but I will use my fingertip. So okay, so let's see how I will apply this onto my scalp.
Yes, so my onion juice is ready. Now I will apply this, but before that I will comb my hair. As I always tell you, before applying any kind of hair mask or hair oil, whatever it may be, just comb your hair. So now I will comb my hair. So now I will apply this. Okay. So I will use my fingertip, but you can use the cotton ball, whatever would be comfortable for you. But for me, I always prefer my hand. So yes, I am using my fingertip to use it. And you can try this also, and you can also use the cotton ball, or what you can do that you must have seen that there are many kinds of spray bottle. So you can just make this onion juice in a bowl and just transfer it to the spray bottle, and you can just spray it. But more than that, I use this because I can massage my hair as well. I mean massage my scalp, and I can use it in a good way. So I always prefer the fingertip. So while applying this onion juice, I just want to make one thing clear, that you may think that why I'm talking in English, because this is my Bengali vlog channel. But some of my friends are there who doesn't know Bengali, and they have requested me to add the subtitle whenever I make videos regarding hair care, skin care. But it's a bit difficult for me to add the subtitles in each and every line. So yes, I can add this all ingredients in the description box as well, but how to apply, the method of application, the method of mixing all the ingredients, that I cannot describe everything in the description box. So I thought that let's make this kind of videos in English or Hindi. So that's why today I am talking in English. In this channel, all other videos apart from the skincare and hair care, I will speak in Bengali, because yes, this is my Bengali channel and I am proud to be a Bengali. So yes, my application is done. Now I will wait for another 1 hour to make it dry, because as you know that onion juice is liquid in form, so it will take time to dry. And yes, you don't need to wait more than 1 hour. You can keep it for 1 hour and you can just wash your hair with mild shampoo. And please don't use any kind of shampoo which are very harsh, because harsh shampoos are not good for your hair. And you don't need to think that yes, harsh shampoo can only clear the scalp properly. Mild shampoo can also do that. So yes, always try to use the mild shampoo. And yes, now 1 hour I will wait. And today I'm not going to tie my hair, because as I said that it is liquid in form and it is taking time to dry. So I will keep it as it is. So yes, wait is over. I was waiting for 1 hour, and now I will go and wash my hair by using mild shampoo. And I will come back again after washing my hair. Until then, stay tuned. So hello friends, I have come back after doing shampoo, and yes, I have used serum as well, but on wet hair.
And yeah, so now I'm feeling very good, and you can use this remedy as well. And don't forget to write in the comment section after applying the remedy that what is the feedback, because I really need your feedback. And for more video, don't forget to subscribe before leaving the channel and share the video with your friends. And yeah, so stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, keep smiling, and I love you all. Bye bye.